my mom. No, nothing's wrong, I just wanna talk. To hear her voice and feel so small, like when I was young. I wanna know I'm not on my own, 'cause I feel alone. Yeah, I've got love, more than enough, but is it too much? I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe. Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. And I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works overtime, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe. Did you know a supernova only glows after it explodes? That's a fact I hold on to when panic attacks. Cause I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I give myself the space that I need, and leave the atmosphere to finally breathe. Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe. Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. And I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works overtime, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe. Oh, 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 oh. Cause I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. Yeah, I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe. Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. Yeah, I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works overtime, and so do I. So I'll find my way. Yes, I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe.
I don't wanna cry in front of you, 'cause I know you won't do the same. And I'm so tired of trying to get through. Why you acting like it's a game? It's not funny when you try to change the subject. Oh, it's not funny. I feel like I'm emotionally alone. It's not funny, but you act like it's a joke. Oh, and we both know you don't talk about your emotions. You just go and ride the wave. But I'm drowning here in this ocean, while you always seem okay. I hate how I'm too scared to tell you how empty I've been. Cause as soon as you call me beautiful, I just fall right back in.
To know about love, thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart, until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. You showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. You made me see never love someone until you love yourself the way you love me.